Tokyo, a vibrant metropolis. Just 10 minutes from Tokyo Station and 30 minutes from Haneda Airport, the DMG MORI Tokyo Digital Innovation Center is home to SAKI Corporation. Here, automated inspection devices for electronic circuit boards and semiconductors are developed. SAKI's technology is becoming increasingly essential in rapidly expanding fields such as AI, semiconductors, and autonomous driving. At SAKI Corporation, leading engineers develop hardware and software in-house, always striving to create the best original visual inspection and X-ray inspection systems. Nara Prefecture is home to many factories of the DMG MORI Group. Here, SAKI manufactures high-performance products that excel in rigidity and precision, thanks to gantry structures and twin motor systems. SAKI's comprehensive product lineup covers automatic solder printing inspection equipment, automatic visual inspection equipment, X-ray automatic inspection systems, and more. At the Tokyo Solution Center, SAKI offers live demonstrations of its products, together with a software platform for connection to other equipment and machinery. SAKI Corporation attracts top talent from around the world and fosters an inclusive environment where diverse cultures and values thrive beyond borders. Our office features a spacious lounge area. From activities with colleagues to moments of relaxation, we foster a comfortable workplace beyond office hours. SAKI Corporation will continue to deliver optimal solutions to customers worldwide, from the DMG MORI Tokyo Digital Innovation Center and Nara plant. By creating new value, we contribute to a more prosperous society. SAKI, DMG MORI Group.